How to buy Kekius Maximus token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. As you can see, this token is available on PancakeSwap. Now, first of all, connect your wallet. And after that, select your wallet from here. For example, I will use the Trust wallet. Now, after that, click on connect. And our wallet or our Trust wallet is connected to PancakeSwap. Now you will be able to buy this token. Select the token from here that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and type here how much you want to buy. And after that, you will see how much you receive. After that, make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet, or you can fill your wallet from here on PancakeSwap. So after that, just click on get it now, and now enter how much you want to buy. But before that, select your currency. And after that, select the providers from here, for example, Transact. After that, click buy with Transact. So wait a few seconds. And as you can see from this page, you can select to pay with Visa or Apple Pay or Google Pay. And after that, click on buy now, and you will be able to fill your wallet with USDT from PancakeSwap. Now after that, you can buy this token on PancakeSwap without any issue. Now, if you want to buy it in your wallet, just go on Sniper and copy the token address from here. And remember, this token is under the BNB Smart Chain. Now open your wallet, for example, the Bitget wallets, log into your accounts like that. And after that, select the BNB chain from here as a network, click on this plus icon, paste the token address as you can see. So this is our token, just click on plus icon and go back to your wallet and find the token. As you can see, this is it, click on it. And after that, click on swap, switch from here, select the token that you want to buy, for example, USDT, and make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now here, type how much you want to buy, wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you receive. After that, just click on buy, and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy the Kekius token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.